Welcome to another tutorial from Wasatch. In this tutorial, we will show you different useful options under My Account. As a first step, let's log into the account. Click on the Login. Type in your username and password, and then select Login. On the next page, click My Account in the top navigation bar. As you can see, this page is clearly divided into two different sections: Account Information and Order Information. Under Account Information, you have several different options, such as Edit Account Profile, Change Password, etc. And under Order Information, you have options such as Order Status, Account Statements, etc. In this tutorial, we will explore each option and show you how useful these options are. So let's start with Edit Account Profile. Under this option, you can change or update your information. This option doesn't allow you to update your billing information, as that is something that must be done by authorized personnel at Wasatch. So let's change the username from Erica to Wasatch. Let's hit Save at the bottom of the page, and here you go. Your information has been updated. You can see at the top of the page it says Profile Saved. Let's go back to My Account to explore other options. Change Password. This is pretty simple. Just change your password, reconfirm it, and set up a hint to remind yourself of the password and hit Submit Change. Here is your confirmation message that the password has been changed successfully. Click back to My Account to see what else we can do. Address Book, an awesome feature that saves you time. Basically, what Address Book does is store all your shipping addresses so you don't have to retype them every time. It gives you two options. You can add a new address or make changes to an existing address. Let's change an existing address first. Let's select Embroider and change the label or nickname to My Screen Printer and change the address from 123 Main Street to 456 Main Street instead. Hit Update and it will show you how the address will appear on the shipping label, and on the top of the page it says your address has been successfully modified. In a moment, we'll add a brand new address, but just to let you know, these two options, Add New Address and Edit an Existing Address, are also available on the checkout page, and the process is exactly the same. So you don't have to come here to change your shipping address. This can be done right during your checkout process. Address label means a nickname for your new address. What would you like to call it? So let's say we want to call it My Office. Type in the rest of the address. Attention, let's type in John. Name, ABC Company. Address, 123 Main Street. And as soon as I type in the zip code, it will bring up the city and state. If you want, you can add a phone number that will appear on the shipping label. Hit Add and it will show you how the address will print on the shipping label. Let's go back to My Account and check other options. Let's check Manage Users. Under this account, you can create numerous users under the same account. So let's say you have several salespeople in your organization and they all want to place orders or check stock levels or prices. You can assign a unique login ID. This feature helps in ensuring the security of your account. You don't have to share your password, as each user has an individual ID and password. This also helps in keeping track of orders placed under your account. Just like Address Book, you can create new users or you can edit the existing users. It's pretty self-explanatory, so we won't go into any more details here. Now let's go under Order Information. Let's check Order Status. Here you can track your orders in real time. If you check this screen right after you placed an order, under Status, your latest order will appear as Open Order. After that, it will change to Printed, which means the order has been printed in our warehouse. Once the order is in picking, the status will change to In Picking. After that, when your order is ready for pickup, the status will change to Ready, and if the order is for shipping, it will change to Invoiced. Not only that, you can check all your past orders here, whether placed through the web or over the phone. Also, you can search for any specific order by entering an order number or by entering your PO number. You can search by a date range, and you can search only those orders that were placed on the web. If you click on any order number, it will show you the complete detail of that order, such as style number, color, size, quantity, unit price, and total for each line item. At the bottom, it will show you freight, taxes, and any other charges, plus the grand total for this order. If you want to get a copy of this invoice, simply click on the invoice number at the top right-hand corner. It usually starts with 100. Once you click on the invoice number, it will bring up a PDF invoice. From here, you can print the invoice if you want. If the order was shipped to you, on the invoice you will see a tracking number starting with 1ZE262. I think every customer should be very well aware of this feature. Let's move to the next feature. You can check your open invoices here. You can also click here for a printer-friendly version. It will show past due invoices by 30, 60, and over 60 days. The next option is Inventory Listing Report. Under this option, you can print a list of available inventory at any given time. You can generate the report for any specific brand or mill, style, or color. So let's select kitty cats under Mills. Leave all styles and all colors as is, and hit Update Report. And here is your report. You can get it in a printable format by clicking Print this report. Let's go back to my account and check Sales History. Here you can check your sales history and compare it to the previous year. So let's select 2011 and display as by dollar and hit Get Report. It's showing your orders by month for the year you selected and the previous year. Let's look at another cool feature that will help you in selling our products to your customers. Under Price List Download, you can download the entire price list. If you leave the markup at 0%, you will get the net price list. And if you add a markup percentage, it will bump up the prices by that percentage. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed this tutorial.